Hello friends, I will show you how to put joystick for Pokemon Go. Search. First go to your Play Store, scan and search fake GPS free. When you go, you can download fake GPS location. I will download 2 apps. You can download this also. Okay. Otherwise, I'll show you one more app. It is very easy. Fake GPS with joystick. I will show you joystick. When you type, you will get the app Ninjas for Pokemon Go. You can see it is working. This how it comes. I will download. I have downloaded my joystick. Which one? I'll open. Privacy policy will come. I put accept, cancel, not now. You will get, but now you can see here that the start is not coming for the joystick. You can see. For that, you should go to your settings. I have opened my settings. Just go to more settings and go scroll down and go to developer option. You can get here, which I will show you. Developer option. See developer option, get, open, press, and on the developer option. Okay, on the developer option I go down and you can get here select map location. You can get select map location. Press on that. When you go here, you should which joystick GPS you have. You can. I will use GPS joystick, and I will go to home and I'll open my GPS joystick, which I will take now. GPS joystick. Now I will get current location. Okay, hello. Okay, hello. It's not coming again. Why? Because the problem is you should on location. I just get not. Let's just put. Get to start current location. When you start set location, you cannot get. You should set as get current location or use last location. Wait for some minutes. I have waited for 2 minutes. You can see I've opened my use current location only. I have checked, and it is scheme start also blue color. Then let's press to start. Let's just the joystick is ready and put to lock, and you can check. You put to open, it can scroll anywhere. Put to lock, it's more expensive. You can drag anyway. Put to open, you can only drag with that. And how much speed you want, you can set here. I will show you how much speed you want, you can set here. And lock and map and location, these are main you should use. I will show you how to use that. When I go to location, you can off and see the gyms, and you can, when you put the location, you can take anywhere when you press the first button. And second, where you have to put the location. When I will put and this coach, I will put for here, and you go fast scrolling. Those coach. I will put the location. Jesus. Also, yes. I'll put the location to here. You can set root. It's good. I'll go back. Lock. You can open lock. I can lock and just do it. The speed. Which speed you want to run in Pokemon Go, you can run. Which our board is just that board. You can see I'm opening my Pokemon Go. It will work nicely. This is very easy to work. How you can work? It is your choice. I'll put it here. Where you want to work, it will work also. It's good. Thank you for watching our video. Please subscribe, please like, please share this video. And I will give you the link in description. You can see in description. Bye. Thank you for watching our video.